How does contrast therapy help with recovery? So contrast therapy works like a pump. You've got your cold spa, which when our body is cold, all of our blood is going to pool around our organs. So everything that was out in our limbs is going to come internal. So right around the heart. It's also going to be a big pain reliever. And then you jump into the hot after, and all those blood vessels are going to open up at the one time, and it's going to send a lot of oxygen and nutrients to the muscles that you've just used when you're working out. So it's going to help recover those muscles and fill in those little tears that you've created, particularly if you've done some strength work. So the recommendation of how to use these are 10 minutes in the hot to get everything pumping, 3 minutes in the cold, come back to the hot for 3 minutes, cold, hot. So you finish on the hot, so everything's nice and open again. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist. As always, making wellness education accessible to everybody. See you on the next one.